university, I had a very good friend who was very smart, a very social person, and actually a very helpful person. He was a member of the youth league in the university. Whenever I had any sort of problem, he would help me navigate the situation, that at least I stay afloat. One of my teachers, Professor Zhong Denghua from Tianjin University, is now a member of the NPC and actually the Vice Minister of Education of China. Whenever I had interaction with him, he was always extremely helpful and supportive of my endeavors. I think there is this stigmatization in the Western media that Communist Party members are part of some secret society with a hidden agenda, whereas in reality, they're just common people who have excelled in their fields and trying to make a difference. Well, frankly speaking, before I went to China, I didn't know much about China's political system. But it was only after I went to China that I slowly understood about China's political system. The CPC gives stability to China. I think life in China has improved so much over the years that now many Chinese actually prefer to stay in China rather than going abroad for work or for studies. The world-class education, medical facilities, tourism, and employment opportunities available in today's China are at least at par with any developed nation in the world. I think this year marks several high points for the CPC. Eliminating extreme poverty from China, making China a 100 trillion RMB economy, winning the fight against COVID-19. I think all of this and whatever China has achieved since the formation of modern China is actually attributed to the Chinese people under the leadership of the CPC.